A basketball prediction site actually worth it. I tested 5 of the most popular sites to find out which one gives the most accurate picks, and believe me, some completely failed, as in failed. But one site shocked me with its amazing results and consistency. So stay till the end of this video because I am revealing the best basketball prediction site that will help you make smarter bets. So let us get right into it. So as I said, I tested 5 popular basketball prediction sites to find out which one actually gives the most accurate picks. So here is how they rank based on prediction consistency, odds value, and overall accuracy. At number 5, we got Oddstrader. Oddstrader delivered decent market analysis after our test for a few days, but many picks lacked consistency. It performed with an estimated 68% accuracy, making it useful for research but not reliable enough for daily betting. At number 4, we got Pickwise. Pickwise offers expert picks and solid coverage of basketball leagues, but some predictions were too risky, and as a professional bettor, you want to reduce risks and maximize profit. But it scored around 73% when it comes to accuracy, which is quite fair, but still inconsistent on key games. At number 3, we got SportyTrader. SportyTrader was better with detailed statistics and stronger match breakdowns. It delivered approximately 79% when it comes to accuracy, making it a solid option for a smarter bettor. Number 2, and runner-up in our video, is Dimers. Dimers impressed me with its AI-powered analysis and data-driven predictions. It showed about 84% accuracy with very consistent value picks. But be careful here, Dimers do not really cover a lot of leagues in the basketball. They are mostly focused on NBA. And if you want more accurate predictions, you can go for their paid plans, which you will see once you log into their website. And number 1, SportsGambler. SportsGambler came out on top when we did our analysis. It had the most reliable predictions, better betting insights, and the strongest overall performance with an impressive 89% accuracy. I didn't want to rank this site high till around 90%, but 89% on accuracy is good enough and honest enough as a review. So if you are looking for the best basketball prediction site, SportsGambler takes the crown according to our video. But remember, no site is perfect. So always combine predictions with smart bankroll management. I insist on smart bankroll management. And there you have it. After testing all 5 sites, SportsGambler came out on top as the most reliable basketball prediction site. If you found this video review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which prediction site you want me to test next. Bet smarter, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next video.